In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can make money online very easily. This doesn't require any investment at all and it works worldwide. I'll show you a Google trick that can help you with the strategy and also free tools, so stay tuned to find out how to set everything up. Because if you skip any step, you can get lost and confused. But just before we start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. The very first step is to go over to Google and you're going to search for Google News, and you're going to open it up and you're going to see over here that it's going to display you a lot of articles or news related to different things, to any topics. As you can see over here, you have news about US, the world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science and health. So new articles are being posted every single hour, as you can see over here, so you can never run out of new articles. What I want you to do over here is to choose any of these categories, the one that you want. It doesn't matter whatsoever. So I went with the health category, and the next page is going to show you a lot of articles related to health, and you have a lot of subcategories on here like medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition and fitness. So if you go over with nutrition, you're going to see that it's going to give you a lot of articles related to that, and I went with the first one. So how to help lower cholesterol without medication. If you open it up, it's going to take you over to the main website, and you're going to see here an article related to that particular topic. And what I want you to do right now is to just copy this article paragraph by paragraph. And once you copy the first paragraph, what you need to do is to go over to the next step of this strategy, which is to open up the free tool that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. And that tool is going to help us a lot with today's strategy. And I want you to go over to this tool called Quillbot. This is over at quillbot.com. What this tool does is that it paraphrases all of these articles or any paragraph or any text at all in some other words, so you can get a unique article. Because this article today is going to make us money, but not in the form that it is right now. That's why we need Quillbot in order to rewrite it. What you need to do is to just paste it in this box here in the left side, and then you need to click on paraphrase, and it's going to give you in the right side all of the article rewritten in some unique words. So it's going to be a unique article with different words from the first one that we pasted. So you're not going to face any copyright issues if you want to republish this article. The thing is that here on Quillbot you have like only 400 words in order to, as you can see, 442 characters to write. But if you create an account for absolutely free, you can have up to 700 characters. That's why I recommend you just copy and paste it in paragraphs, and then you can just get the rewritten article here. You can copy it in this button, and then you can open up a Microsoft Word document, for example, or you can open up Google Docs and you can paste it right there, paragraph by paragraph, so you can have a whole new article for you, which is going to be the rewritten article of this one here. So like this, you're going to get the rewritten article, as I said before, and you're going to save that document, of course. So let's proceed to the next step for this strategy, which is to go over to this platform called Text Broker. This is over at textbroker.com. What you can do on here is that you can write content for them, you can write articles for them, and you're going to get paid again and again, because other people come here to buy articles, and you're going to write those articles and you're going to get paid. So if you go over to this page here, you're going to see how much money you can make related to the quality of the article, but also on the words that the article got. So for example, if it got 1,000 of words and it's got the 2 stars quality, it's going to make you $7. So if it got 5 stars quality and 1,000 words, again, it's going to make you even more, like $50. So it depends on the quality of the article and on how much word it contains. So these articles on Google are very long, as we saw, so it contains a lot of words and it can make you a lot of money. Of course, you are going to see the quality of the article, and sometimes you can get the 3 stars quality, so you can make $10 per article, but of course it depends also on the word counter, as you can see over here. So you can make a lot of money actually per article on here. As you can see, even one article can make you up to $600, so that's why I highly recommend you get started with this strategy. What you need to do is to just go over once again to the main page. You're going to go over to I write content over here, then you need to click on free author or registration, and then you need to select here sign me up as an author, because you're going to be the author. After that, you're going to put some information about yourself, like your first name, last name, your experience. You're going to create an account, and then they are going to ask you to send them an article, so they are going to see how you write those articles, and so on, the quality of the article. And what you can do is to just get an article from Google News. As I said before, the strategy that I presented to you, you're going to get an article from here, then you're going to get over to the article, you're going to copy and paste it paragraph by paragraph here on Quillbot. You're going to click on the button paraphrase here, and you're going to see that it's going to give you a rewritten article. And like this, you're going to have a new article, a unique article actually, with new words. So it's going to be professional written, and I highly recommend that once you got your article in the Microsoft Word document, you read it so you can see if it has any grammatical error, because after all, this is just free software, so it may contain some grammatical errors. Of course, once you did all the article, once you created it paragraph by paragraph, then you need to save it, and you're going to send it over at text brokers, so they can see your article, they can evaluate it, and you can start working with them, and you can make up to $600, as you can see over here. So it depends on the quality of the article, and of course on how much word it contains over here. The most word it contains, the most money you're going to make, and of course if it is with 5 stars quality, you can make the most money. This is one of the best website to get you paid for this, for writing articles, as you can see over here. And of course you can get it started right now once you follow every step from this strategy. I really hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel 18 EMEA's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy like this one, so you can be one of the first to see it and to make money online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next strategy.